Mercedes has just revived its glorious history. They have unveiled a limited edition classic G-Wagon called the Stronger Than 80's series. It features striking designs and bold elements. Inspired by the 1980's 280 GE, it features 5-spoke rims in sterling silver color. The paint job is what catches the eye the most. It is the agave green solid, which was the first color introduced on the G-Wagon. Other colors include the solid cream and the solid Colorado beige. It has a nostalgic spare tire cover and it says Mercedes-Benz in the classic font on the tailgate. In the interior, we have a simple yet futuristic interior and it says Stronger Than the 1980's on the grab handle. The seat have a checkered pattern which is signature to the 1980's, and on the door sill it says Mercedes-Benz. We also have a Shokel approved badge on the door. On the center console it says 1 of 460 because only 460 units are going to be available worldwide. The 460 pays tribute to W460, which was the chassis code of the first ever G-Wagon. Talking about the powertrain, it's going to feature a 3.0 liter flat 6 engine. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments.